Hi guys, just to make sure that everyone can hear me, can you all just make sure that your speakers or your headphones are turned on and you can hear me talking? If you can, you can use your chat box, just let me know. Or Peter, great for putting your thumbs up, mate, appreciate it. At least I know you can hear me. And you, Mike. To be fair, I can only see 3 of you at the moment, so the guys who have put their thumbs up, really appreciate it. Cheers, Dave. Perfect, love it. Hi guys, so I hope you can all see me now. You've probably noticed that the lockdown hasn't been kind to me. I have put on a bit of weight, but I'm sure we're all in the same boat. So thanks for joining. I know you guys all must be very busy, but really appreciate you taking the time to join during this webinar today. So what we're going to do, guys, is give you a quick brief overview of what we're going to talk about. Quick 5 minutes, going to talk about an introduction to Allsee. Some of you already know who we are, and we've been partners for a while, but we have had partners join or new attendees from, our social media, so LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So give a brief overview, then we'll kick off straight into our COVID solution range, take about 30-35 minutes, talk about key features and the products. And then we can talk about kind of the support that Allsee gives you, our partners, and the services we have to offer. And in the final 10-15 minutes, we'll go through a bit of Q&A. So if you want to leave your questions to the last and put them in the chat boxes, I think David Brewer, you put a comment in there earlier, which is great. So if you can all find where that chat box is, it'll be great for the end so we can do some quick fire questions and answers. So let's start by kind of introducing who Allsee is. So as some of you know, Allsee is a dedicated digital signage manufacturer, and we're one of the leading manufacturers, been here in the UK for 13 years. Okay, our aim was designed to kind of really simplify kind of an end user and partner experience. We have both our hardware and our software, content management system, along with our range of brackets, providing you guys with a full solution and a full package. All right. And again, simplicity is key for us. You all know that our products are very easy to use with the best quality. We've got the LG IPS panel with all our product ranges, making sure that we deliver the highest quality at a low cost for our partners. And some of you in the UK, especially, have been here to our new warehouse and operation in Birmingham, which is brilliant. We have adequate stock to fulfill all of our partners' needs. 20,000 square feet of operational space. It's really helping us grow and support our partners, especially during the COVID situation. Okay, and then we've got a great team behind us. Some of you guys are from Europe and overseas. You've got some great team members that are supporting you. And again, here in the UK, the account managers are really delighted and keen and eager to support and help where possible. So we're here to develop that relationship a little bit further. Okay, so that's Allsee in general. Okay, so what we're going to do is just simply a little bit of overview of why Allsee has a COVID range, as it were. When the pandemic hit, we quickly kind of hit the floor running with the development of 2 particular product ranges, our hand sanitizer, as well as our 8-inch facial recognition thermometer display, to help combat the effects and the requirements the government are going to be having on businesses and returning to work, etc. We also tried our best to try and remarket some of our existing products. So our outdoor A-board, which we'll talk about in a bit more detail later on, we were about to launch that product before the pandemic hit. So actually, we're able to utilise, after a number of orders of our partners using our outdoor A-board, as a solution for social distancing messages and when the government are changing their guidelines regularly, as well as our freestanding internal poster, which you all will know it's been one of our flagship ranges. So we'll get the ball rolling and we'll go straight into our first product. So our 22-inch hand sanitizer to my right. Okay, so this product is an all-in-one solution. It's been designed to combine both hand sanitation as well as digital signage. Okay, really the way that we're marketing this product is once it's installed, it's a complete contactless solution. So not just from the hand sanitizer itself, but for our free 1-year content management system, and which we provide both yourself and your customers. We always have the safety of our partners and our customers at the forefront of our minds. So when we're talking about safety, we ensure that our products are manufactured with the right materials, such as a steel enclosure. We have a 700ml tank capacity, which will allow you to have anywhere from 700 to 1,000 dispenses, and also all the components are isolated. So the tank and the screen are completely separate to ensure that you are being able to offer a safe solution to your customers. Okay. As with everything that we do, all of our products are designed for 24/7 commercial usage. So again, entrance halls to hospitality, entrance halls to shopping centres, which are running 24/7. Gyms, a lot more gymnasiums are 24/7 now, and having a product that is designed to run for that longevity is absolutely perfect for those guys. We can, again, custom brand the product. If you want us to, again, we can either put a vinyl logo on there or something along those lines. If you have any of that type of requirement, speak to your account manager or drop us a line and we'll be able to kind of quote and give you a solution for that, no problem. With our hand sanitizer, like a number of our other products, our wall-mounted advertising displays, for example, we also provide a free wall bracket. Okay, so it's a simple, easy installation straight out of the box. You'll see on the picture on the presentation that we've got an absolutely stunning floor stand. What you might not have noticed just yet is the floor stand in here that I'm demonstrating with isn't the optional floor stand with LED light strip. And you're probably wondering why, why haven't you got it there, Matt? Well, actually, our hand sanitizer as well as our floor stand has been absolutely amazing reach from our partners. It's been kind of needed dramatically. We've had to give one of our partners our demo unit or our showroom unit as well due to high demand. But don't let that put you off. We have further units coming in the coming weeks so we can fulfill yours and your partners' orders. Well, we'll swiftly move on to our outdoor A-board. I think that's apologies, guys. What I'll do, let me just show you how the hand sanitizer actually works. Again, it's simple, completely contactless. You simply put your hand underneath the sanitation unit here, and that will dispense anything from 0.7 ml to a ml of hand sanitizer liquid at any one time. You can actually set that to a double dose, so it will do 1.4 ml to 2 ml at any given dispenser. Okay, very, very easy to actually top the sanitation unit up. Okay, so on the right of the unit, you'll see there's a key actually already plugged in for me. You just open the locker door. You'll see the hand sanitizer here, and you will be provided with a key. In the key, you just simply open the sanitation unit and fill it fairly safely. You can actually remove the whole sanitation unit from the freestanding display or wall-mounted unit. You simply top it up, lock the door, put your key back, and lock the locker door. It's that easy, guys. Once it's installed, all you'll ever need to do is top up hand sanitizer, completely contactless. Okay, so what we'll do now, guys, is we'll move over to our facial recognition unit. Sorry, I've got my slides mixed up. So this is our 8-inch facial recognition thermometer display. Okay, so again, it's an automated contactless temperature checking solution. It's got a 0.3 degrees accuracy. Okay, and the way that is done, actually, it's been using the Belgium Alexis dual chip thermal imaging module, which actually allows to measure both ambient and the user temperature. Okay, so if there was the ambient temperature was higher than the actual user, it takes both to give you an accurate reading. Mass detection, shopping centres and places like that have now stipulated, the government have now stipulated the use of masks. So our software will allow you to actually mask detection through the camera, as well as optional alarms. So for example, if I was at a temperature of 38, for example, it could actually ring an alarm to kind of let somebody know that I was running a fever. What you'll see is, I'll show you shortly, but our unit actually has additional inputs for synchronization with existing systems. So a couple of our partners, system integrators that perhaps are already supplying kind of integrated door systems or check-in, check-out systems, our unit can synchronize with them quite seamlessly. From a security perspective, it has a 99.7 identification accuracy. So it's extremely kind of secure and accurate. So it can be used as both a check-in and check-out solution, with the software being able to detect whether I am approaching the display or whether it's a stranger. Allsee, again, we are kind of aiming to provide all of our customers with a all-in-one solution. So everything from the hardware to the software and even bracketry. So we provide you the bracketry and with software included. So the software is included. We have optional mounting options for you. So the software can just install simply onto your laptop or PC, and it'll just act as a server. And you can kind of stipulate entry conditions such as the temperature of the entrant, or whether that entrant's wearing a mask, etc. Okay, or if that person actually has an image on the system to gain entry as an employee, or whether you're allowing access to strangers. Again, I mentioned mounting solutions. We'll actually provide the pole, which is included. So you'll see when I give you the demonstration, the unit on what I'm using at the moment, it's actually using an optional desk stand. We also can provide you with a floor stand, which is very similar to the hand sanitizer image you saw earlier, as well as a wall-mounted option. Okay, so feel free to get in touch with your account manager if you want to find out a little bit more and get some specs on our fantastic 8-inch. But what I will do now is I'll just drop you over to my camera and give you a quick demonstration of the facial recognition unit. So you just approach the display, and as you may not see, because it's quite a bit away, but I wanted to get everything in, my body temperature is 36.2, which is fine, as well, and it granted me access because my image, as I'm a member of staff here at Allsee, is on our software and grants me entrance. If I was above, let's say 37.8 degrees, RMD body tells me to go away, so I wouldn't be allowed access. Okay, so you can actually kind of stipulate the entry requirements using the software. So what we'll do is that we'll move over onto our 43-inch outdoor flash-powered A-board. Okay, mentioned this at the beginning. This product was actually due to launch before lockdown and before the pandemic, but due to the pandemic, it's allowed us to kind of market it in a different way and to act as an aid during the pandemic. It's instantly updatable, okay, so it's using either our content management system or a simple USB. You can easily go to the display and update and change that content. Actually, one thing that I've noticed is that we all work with partners in traditional print. Obviously, business is great, you know. The government are changing the advice from having to stay at a safe 2 metre distance to be a 1 metre plus. So being able to change traditional print is a bit timely and, you know, does cost. With our unit, it's very straightforward. You can simply change that message in a matter of seconds. So it makes it for an easy, updatable solution when things are rapidly changing. Just like our freestanding wall-mounted outdoor advertising displays, it's completely IP65 rated, so it's completely weatherproof. It has a 700 nit panel, okay, so it is brighter than any of our internal displays, and has a battery life of up to 14 hours. 14 hours is absolutely amazing. In fact, if some of you guys came and saw us at Allsee, I think we had it on for over 24 hours without the battery life depleting. But we provide you with a guaranteed minimum 14 hours running time from a 7-hour charge, which is absolutely amazing. At the rear of the unit, there is an actual locking bar. So that locking bar enables you to bolt it down to the floor or chain the product to somewhere that is safe. We all know there are some kind of locations that you perhaps may need a safety feature, such as our secure locking bar, and that allows you to do that for you. We also do it in a 49-inch free indoor unit with a 700 candela panel as well, and again, a battery life of minimum 14 hours. I'll just demonstrate how easy it is to move from one location to another location of our battery-powered A-board. So as you can see, it's a simple tilt, and you can walk around and relocate the display at any one time. You may see behind is where all, you know, your on-off button and your USB update should you wish to as well. Just making sure the screens are at a good social distance, so just give me a moment. And really, you know, our battery-powered A-board and our freestanding, which we'll get onto in a moment, is kind of a product that is already in our portfolio, something that we didn't necessarily kind of gear towards this unfortunate pandemic. But you all can see the benefits of our traditional products. So our freestanding digital poster, the one behind me, okay, to help indoor applications, not just outdoor when you're queuing to go to your supermarket or your gym. I haven't been to a gym for a while, but it certainly would help with queues and entrance in and out of that location. But also in shopping centres, hospitality, you know, anywhere indoor would enable your clients or yourselves to display up to the minute information. So on the unit here, we have kind of messages about our compliance, you know, ensuring that we as a business are compliant with the government's regulations on the global pandemic. We also display government guidelines, so, you know, so the staff and our team feel safe and being able to get up-to-date information from the government as well. And messages on how to wash your hands. You know, it may be so simple as that, but it's really just showing that message to your customers and within their business. It's certainly a help. Instant updates. So again, you can use our content management system. Our content management system allows anyone from anywhere around the world to update a screen, providing it's got internet access. You can be a little bit more dynamic with that content creation. not from just your static image zones as you can see behind me, but actually have kind of image, videos, RSS feeds, websites, kind of having that multi-layered content, being a little bit more creative can go a long way. This unit is also extremely portable. It's got adjustable casters at the bottom, which allows you to retract and relocate the product from any environment. So this would be perfect for hospitality, so entrance halls to a hospitality environment, or reception areas, or the food industry. You know, so this is ideal for pretty much every location. It's got a tempered glass front, okay, so the glass is 4 mil thick, which actually, again, is for a robust solution, and actually very easy to clean. It's edge-to-edge glass, so it's just a simple wipe with your leading disinfectant or antibacterial cleaner, so it's very easy to clean. This unit behind me is our white version, but we also have black versions in stock in both 50 and 55 inch. You'll all see the resemblance of our wall-mounted advertising displays. You know, that's our core, that's our flagship product, and so we have them both available, wall-mounted and freestanding in stock. So that's kind of the 4 products really, and it's just a real quick overview of how they can be used and how the product works in general really. But I just want to kind of emphasise on the fact that some of you may not have been to see us here at Allsee, or may not already be in touch with Allsee as a partner, but I just wanted to reiterate a couple of things. So Allsee, we're not just your manufacturing partner. We're not just the partner that you come to for a piece of hardware. We're your support partner. We're your technical support. We are here to deliver free technical support to both you and your customers from experienced members of staff that have been in the industry and know our products like the back of their hand. If you already deal with Allsee, you'll know Grant, Reese, my colleague Tom, are absolutely fantastic in delivering highest level of customer service to ensure that you and your customers are getting that technical support. What that means is that we can deliver more than that 95% of kind of technical support cleared over the phone. And we have a 0.5% after sales failure rate. So, you know, it's all about quality and that partnering with Allsee. We're not just a product. We're a partner, we're delivering the support from a technical perspective, but also from marketing. You'll all know that if you've got your own website, Allsee will provide you with completely unbranded marketing material, okay? If you want to upload any images of our products onto your website, we can provide that for you. We provide all the data sheets and all the marketing information you'll ever need. Videos of me demonstrating the facial recognition, or my colleague Tom demonstrating the hand sanitizer. That's completely unbranded. It's there for you guys to utilise to help you sell more product. You know, this COVID range has certainly helped us, Allsee, you know, offer an additional solution to the market at this very difficult time, but it's there for you guys as well to offer your customers an additional product range and diversify slightly. So if you need any marketing material, case studies, please ask and we'll try and deliver as much as we can to you. And that's completely free, guys. The next thing I want to talk about is quality and reliability. Okay, so you all know Allsee pride ourselves on our customer experience, customer service, and part of that customer service comes down to the additional 3-year warranty, you know, that we offer our customers, which is advanced replacement where possible, or if it's our freestanding units or our over 55-inch, we provide an on-site warranty. So that 3-year commercial warranty allows you to buy and sell with confidence. Allsee are here to provide you with a solution. We want you guys to feel, wow, Allsee aren't just a product. They're here to give me reliability and quality. We only use the best commercial grade panels on the market. I mentioned the IPS panel at the beginning, you know, and we don't skimp on the product at all. We want to make sure that you guys can sell a product with confidence. Your customer recognizes how fantastic that product is and then comes back to you because they're coming back to you as their supplier. We pride ourselves on that quality and reliability, and that's why we use A-grade commercial grade panels and power supply and PC boards that are designed for the use, and that's 24/7, so it's a true commercial grade solution. I mentioned with our hand sanitizer, okay, so a lot of our product, in fact all of our product is rugged metal cabinets, which is kind of scratch resistant, especially our freestanding digital posters behind me and our battery powered A-board when they are in public spaces. And we provide 100% ongoing UK based quality and inspection. Okay. So again, that robustness of our product is really there to help you sell with confidence and know that it's designed for its purpose. Okay, so in the last bit here, I just want to kind of, if you haven't been to Allsee, I really recommend you do come and see us. Reason being is, you know, I can tell you until I'm blue in the face that we provide you with, you know, the best quality, you know, the best QC inspection, but without you actually seeing it, you know, I could be saying anything, but I really promise you, come and see us and you'll see how much care, love and affection our team have for our product and our partners. They go that extra mile to make sure our product is suitable and is beautiful and is no imperfections to your customers. Why do we do that? It goes back to what I was talking about, our commercial grade panels and, you know, quality and reliability. We want your end users, your customers to buy more from you. So it's all in our best interest that our team provides you with the best quality product first time around. The team also provides you and can provide you with all our serial number tracking and delivery information once we've shipped your orders out the door. This is kind of something that I wanted to kind of reiterate. Our products, Allsee, you know, we've got fantastic products, we've got fantastic software, we've got fantastic bracketry. But what else can we be doing for you? We can offer special delivery and installation services, especially here in the UK, where we have partners, and we have partners in Europe and overseas as well, that are able to help us provide delivery, setup, etc. But one product that's kind of really key in this will be our 8-inch facial recognition thermometer display, where we'll have to install or you may want us to install the software on your PC for you, or your client's PC, or mount it onto a wall, or put it on the stand for you. We can deliver that installation and do the delivery as a white glove service for you as part of your business. Think of Allsee as the second arm to your business. We are you. If we have to do it under your name, we have no problems in doing that as well. If you require us to deliver product training to you, as well as your customers, for software familiarization or physically how to update your display using our content management system, we'll deliver that for you. That's not a problem. And this is, again, mainly aimed towards the UK and UK mainland. But if you speak to us, we will be able to support you in any which way we can across the globe, okay, Europe and overseas. Brilliant. So what we'll do, guys, is we'll give you maybe 3 minutes of your time now, just to have a think about what we've talked about, and if you've got any questions that you feel that you'd like answering now, we can go through then in about 2 minutes, 3 minutes time, or we can come back to you if I don't know the answer off the top of my head. I like to be as thorough as possible, but sometimes we may need to get the answer for you. So we'll give you 2-3 minutes to have a think about some questions. There is quite a few of you on the call, so give you a bit of time, and perhaps once we've done that, we'll pick a few and answer any questions. Hi guys, can you all hear me? I can see you, Rob, putting your thumbs in the air, mate. Appreciate that. So, firstly, let me thank you all for your time. In fact, I thought I was going to waffle on for a little bit longer than I did. So, appreciate the time that you guys have given me. I've just had a quick look through a couple of your comments and questions. What I can see is actually Bolly has spent a lot of time answering your questions throughout the kind of the webinar itself. So there's just a couple of things that we've noticed that haven't been answered. So one of the points were, let me get back to the start. Okay, so I think Bolly answered your question, David Gray, about everything. The only part that he didn't mention was about Huawei's chips or cameras. The answer is no. We use the Belgian Melexis chip set in our unit, so it has nothing to do with the Huawei chipset or anything, even though we do manufacture in our factory in China. So just to kind of cover that bit out. In terms of the GDPR side of things, Allsee providing our partners with the software means that our partners can supply the users themselves with the software free of charge. So GDPR compliance is then down to them as a business, as opposed to Allsee and yourselves. The compliance would then be, they're hosting internal data on their existing servers, which they probably have anyway. So I don't think there'll be any issues from a GDPR perspective. But I do, honestly, thank you, Bolly, for all your hard work and answering all these questions for me, making my job a little bit easier. Is it Taiwo? Sorry if I've mispronounced your name, or Taiwo. Yes, the units are in stock. We have them here readily available and ready to ship pretty much straight away for you. Feel free to reach out to Will, myself, or Guillaume, and we'll happily provide you with the information. It's not a problem at all. Mohsin, nice to have you on the webinar, mate. I actually haven't spoken to you for a while myself, but just to kind of reiterate Mohsin's point there, always our technical support is always delivered as unbranded. Has nothing to do with Allsee technologies at all, unless specifically asked by the customer. Allsee have operated that way for as far as I can remember. We use mobile phones when we make calls to your partners, your customers, and as I mentioned quite vividly and quite passionately earlier about, we are your second arm to your business. We want to be able to deliver the best customer service and support for your business, not just ours, it's for your business. So we're here to help you, and we will do it under your brand, under your name. That's not a problem whatsoever. I think that may be, here we go. My question is about, as Andre, my question is about the face recognition system. Is it a self-operating system, or has it been connected to a existing in and out system? So the answer to that, it is its own, but it can be integrated with its own, with existing check-in, check-out solutions. One thing, again, apologies, I think I mentioned on the call that I would show you the inputs, the additional inputs on the facial recognition, which I didn't. But they do have inputs such as like USB inputs and other inputs that can allow you to integrate with door entry systems or ticketing systems as well. So we try to have a full integration with everything, but again, it'll be down to us to have a conversation around the opportunity really, so we can give you the best guidance and support on that. Gary, appreciate your comments, mate. Really do. You're only down the road as well, so you might as well have just popped in, mate. Be good to see you soon. Try to deliver as best as I can. You know, I put on a bit of weight and I'm not in the office as regularly as I would like to be, but I think we've got a great team behind us and great products. So keep up the hard work yourself, and we'll try and deliver better customer service support and solutions for you guys, no problem. Fantastic. I mean, we'll give it a couple of more minutes, and if anybody else has any further questions. Dave, good to see you, mate. Really nice to have you on the call. It'd be nice for you to come up and see us again when you can. I don't know if I can see you on the camera, actually. No, but no, you're absolutely more than welcome, mate. Robert, yeah, thanks, mate. I appreciate it. You know, to be fair, if it wasn't for our valued partners, you know, we wouldn't be where we are today. So, not just kind of thanking me, thanks to the team and even yourselves as partners. So, thanks to you guys too. No worries at all. There's a fantastic. I mean, guys, thank you again for joining. It's been a pleasure. Again, we'll reach out to us. We'll drop everybody an email in the next couple of days to thank you for the attendance, and we'll send a copy of the presentation out. You know, I spent a bit of time on the presentation, so if you'd like to keep a copy, feel free, and we'll get it sent out. If we've recorded everything as well, so if you want a copy of the recording, I'm sure it might go on YouTube, or we'll send it through to you guys. No worries. Fantastic. Have a great evening and afternoon, guys, and I'll see you soon.